All right, Natasha, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at the Bethesda office for Natural Transplants, and my goodness, you look incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We're a year out from your surgery.
Yes, we are.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Yeah.
It sounds cliche, but it's life changing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's fantastic. You sent the pictures to us ahead of time. You had a big smile on your face, and I mean, I could hardly recognize you. You look like a different person. It's fantastic. How has it sort of changed your life, if at all? What can you do now or couldn't do before?
Yeah, so I feel like I can show more of myself now.
Hmm.
So it's built my confidence so much more. Even like for my husband, like
Yeah,
he didn't realize it was so bad and all the things that I was hiding. And
yeah.
so I feel so much more confident and light on my feet. I'm telling
That's
everybody
awesome. That's
about
awesome.
it.
You put your hair up in a ponytail now. That's fantastic.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's great. We'll do us a favor. We're gonna put the before pictures up as well too. So if you could
Okay,
just like, put your head down and just hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds,
sure.
and then turn to the left for 2 or 3 seconds, and then turn to the right. Just hold it there a little bit. That's awesome. Wow. It looks so natural on you. Sort of fades in. It's beautiful. I love it. Any
Thank
issues in the
you.
back? You said you weren't really nothing.
No
No
issues in the
pain. No
back
shock
at
loss.
all.
Nothing like that.
No.
Fantastic. Awesome. Thank you so much for doing this and showing. It is very impactful to kind of see the after pictures as well too, and see how it impacts your life.
Definitely,
So that's fantastic. Any
definitely.
words of advice for anybody that's sort of on the fence or
I
thinking about
say
it?
take a leap of
Yeah.
faith. What I really enjoy about the natural hair transplant is that you guys were very honest with us. You weren't trying to sell us
Yeah.
anything. Um, Realistic results,
Hmm.
and then money well spent.
Good.
So
Good.
think about all the money you spend doing everything to hide it.
Yeah. Right.
Put your money yourself.
Right.
So
Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. Well, you look fantastic. Congratulations. Welcome to the family.
thank you.
And, we're here if you need us, but you don't need us anymore. That's the great thing. Awesome. Happy New Year to you. Again, thanks for doing this for everybody.
Same
All
to
right,
you.
Natasha. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.